गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू आवर चैनल ट्रैवल एंड टेस्ट। एंड आज मैं अपने ऑफिस से ही डायरेक्टली एक रेस्टोरेंट पे जा रहे हैं विच इज़ कॉल्ड येती एंड मॉन्क। सो वी हैव ब्रायन विद अस। ही वाज विद अस इन अ सतारा ट्रिप। सो चलो शुरू करते हैं।
ये जगह फेमस है तिब्बतीन और वियतनामीज़ फूड के लिए और हम यहाँ पे दोनों ही ट्राई करने वाले हैं।
So we have reached the place. It's normally half an hour from my office. Payal has also joined us, and we have made our order. So what we have done is we have ordered Darjeeling steamed dumplings, which is a specialty of here, and we have also ordered summer rolls with chicken again. So summer rolls में shrimp नहीं मिलता है, but you have to order in the morning, and then you have to have people coming with you with more than 4. So that ये लोग फ्रेश जाके मार्केट से लेकर सुबह आते हैं and then they will prepare you all the food item whatever you want to order in seafood. And then we have also ordered pho, which is a Vietnamese national dish you can say, and we have also ordered dachi, which is a Bhutanese classic dish. So plus we have also ordered something to drink, which is their one of their favorite, just called Gorash Cooler, lemongrass iced tea. So let's try Gorash Cooler first, which is okay. So the taste is more on the sweeter side. Looks like more like as Brian said, thoda sa रूह अफ़ज़ा. So if you like sweet coolers or sweet juices or sweet soda drinks, then this is for you. Let's try lemongrass iced tea. But before that, let me neutralize my taste buds. Okay. This is actual lemongrass iced tea, which I have loved. Plus, इसमें लास्ट में जो एंडिंग नोट है वो थोड़ा सा पॉपकॉर्न अगर आप खाओ तो उसका जो एंडिंग फ्लेवर आता है डिस्कमिंग लगता है. So out of these two, I'll recommend this. So enjoy. So we have Darjeeling steamed dumplings also and summer rolls also. So let's try my favorite. So they have normally dumpling जो होता है वो अंदर से ड्राई होता है, but it's juicy, which actually shows that okay, what they have done is they have prepared the meat by boiling it and not by putting a refined oil or something like that. Second noticeable thing, the thinness of the outer coating of the maida, which is very good. Normally नहीं तो मैदा तो dumpling में बहुत मोटा होता है, which actually subdued the taste of the inner feeling of that. Having said that, pork is awesome. If you can see with the red chutney, by the look of the color you can say that okay, this is not that spicy, which is actually good. So that normally dumpling में क्या होता है कि काफ़ी स्पाइसी होता है, उससे जो मीट का जो टेस्ट होता है वो ओवरपावर हो जाता है. वो ओवरपावर नहीं होता है एक्चुअली, स्पाइस चटनी का टेस्ट मुंह में रहता है बहुत ज़्यादा. सो इसमें चटनी और जो मीट है उसका फ्लेवर दूसरे कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर रहा है, ना ज़्यादा स्पाइसी ना ज़्यादा सब्ड्यूड.
Pork एकदम fat and all
We can say original version of sauce which you should have with dumplings, right? और इसको बोलते हैं dalle. We just asked the ingredients of this sauce which we had with the dumplings. Bhutanese chili, which is dalle, makes it the dalle sauce. So he also told us one more thing that जो हम लोगों को normal misconception है कि ठीक है mayo dumpling के साथ मैं तो mayo खाओ या फिर कुछ ज़्यादा spicy खाओ. This is actually original part of it. So here's to Bhutan.
Let's try the summer rolls.
Okay, so on the surface, it looks we have carrot, and then we have cucumber, we have rice noodle, lettuce, we have chicken pieces, then we have coriander also, and a bit of mint I believe, but let's try. So पहले मैं without any soya sauce को try करने वाला हूँ. So wrap जो है वो rice का है, by the way if you can see. So let me just try this. Okay, mint है. Don't expect any spices in it. It's pure simple flavor. Okay, so let's try it. Okay, let me just try this. Yeah, this chili sweet soy or sweet chili soy, whatever you want to say. I'll be more generous in putting this. We take one big giant bite. The key part here is everything is fresh. You can actually taste the freshness of carrot, lettuce, all the green vegetables used. Plus the chicken minces, they are also fresh. I think the key is that a bit of taste of chili sweet soy and everything is then taken care by these fresh ingredients. So one last bite. We have pho now. Next dish is pho we want to try. Okay, so इसमें सिर्फ 4 चीज़ें हैं. Pork belly, flat rice noodle. So what we have been told is कि जो ये मीट है उसको उन्होंने 6 घंटे तक ब्रॉथ में सिम रख के गैस को उसको ब्रॉथ को बनाया है. That is one thing. इसमें chopped coriander है. So we have condiments with us which you can put it as per your taste. This is an interesting thing. So अगर ये किसी नॉर्मल नॉर्थ इंडियन फूड वाले के साथ मिलता तो लगता है देसी घी है, बट इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट एक्चुअली. सो एज यू कैन सी इट इज़. सो जो लहसुन है उसको काट के छोटे पीसेस में, इसमें जो मिर्चें हैं यू कैन सी, और उसको विनेगर में डाल दिया है. एंड दिस इज अगेन इफ यू वांट टू ऐड द स्पाइसीनेस और इंक्रीज द sourness of your food. So let's begin. Try this soup broth only, how it is. Oh, nice. Light and nothing but just a taste. थोड़ा सा कोरिएंडर वाला टेस्ट आ रहा है, बट राइस का नूडल के साथ में वो इतना ज़्यादा फ्लेवर नहीं आ रहा. बट बेस्ट पार्ट इज you can actually drink pork. So I need some of vinegar a little bit. Just want to amp up the spiciness and the sourness. A bit of sprouts. And let me just quickly mix it up very nicely. Alright, so pork mixes are actually crunchy. That is a good thing. Flat noodles are like the normal thing you can find anywhere. So basically what I want to understand is कि जो crispy बना है वो क्या उन्होंने dried करके बनाया है या फिर fry करा है? That's what I want to understand. Because if you see, yeah, you can see this is actually crispy. Yeah. You can try this with chicken or with mushroom also. But oh man. So the aftertaste is nothing but just होता नहीं कि थोड़ा सा और मिल जाता खाने को तो आफ्टर टेस्ट इज लाइक थोड़ा सा बट इट्स अ नाइस वेरी हेल्दी वेरी हार्टी बेसिकली बॉल ऑफ नूडल्स एंड यू मस्ट ट्राई यस what we are having is kachi, which is a final dish right now, and it's a Bhutanese dish. So basically spicy chili, it's what they've said, and cheesy basically. I did not find spicy it at all. Reminded me of risotto with chicken, whatever. So traditionally, what we have been told is कि यहाँ पे Bhutanese rice use होता है, but because they don't have access to this, they're using brown rice. Second, जो change किया है इन्होंने कि इसमें cheese में yak cheese होता है, but चूँकि yak cheese available नहीं है यहाँ पे, so they're using it as a normal form of cheese. They give salad with that, which is called eza basically, and so they told me that this is an acquired taste. Alright.
स्पाइसी इट इज भूटानी चिली है वो
तुमको नहीं लग रहा है स्पाइसी?
Spicy है?
उतना नहीं है माइल्ड
Don't eat spicy food, man. तो बेसिकली तुम एक बार ये भी देखो, इसका एक्चुअली जो चिकन के जो चंक्स हैं कितने बड़े हैं, राइट?
और टेंडर है बट इट्स गुड
We are finally done with the food, and so one of the speciality of this place is also Vietnamese coffee. So they give in cold version also, there is a hot version also. And so Brian as usual has ordered a cold version. Spicy लग गया इसको. So simple Vietnamese coffee with condensed milk and then black coffee. Sadly यहाँ पर भी white egg nahi hai. So I'll try first with this to understand the coffee texture, and then I will try another one with mixing the entire coffee. Okay. Nice. Normally I love black coffee, so anyhow if it's a black coffee I always go for it. So मेरा थोड़ा सा फेवरेट रहता ही उसी तरह. You should try.
We have our tea menu also. This is our tea menu.
Let's find out what kind of teas they have.
Alright. Chamomile is like basic chamomile, nothing so fancy about it. ये हम लोग का rum blend.
Oh, okay.
So it's a black liquid tea, but you know like during fermentation during the process, rum को usually इसको evaporate करके इसको already soak किया गया है. So there's a lot of flavor of rum in there.
Okay.
Sliciness and
This is like green tea, no milk tea, right? Like,
yeah, that's
Yes.
This is one of the best tea which I like. This is green tea and chamomile mixed. You know, like
Oh,
Nice.
it's really good. And this one is lemon.
Oh yes.
Just have a smell. It's
Yes,
really good.
this I know.
And another one, here we got peach white. So there are different flush, first plus, second flush, first plus white tea.
Oh, this is nice.
It's one of the most premium tea leaves which you can like Darjeeling. This is mango actually. That one is peach.
Yeah.
It's normal all day.
Okay.
सो इनके रेस्टोरेंट में कुछ बॉटल्स रखी हैं, उसमें थोड़े स्पाइसेस थे, उसमें से एक आई वॉज एबल टू रिकॉग्नाइज विच वॉज याक चीज़, सॉलिड याक चीज़. बाकी आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू, एंड वी आस्क्ड विकी टू टेल अस मोर अबाउट दैट दीज स्पाइसेस.
From Bhutan, and locally in our language we call it timbur.
timbur.
Yeah. This is basically a Szechuan pepper.
Okay.
So yeah.
It smells really nice.
Yeah. This is churpi.
Okay.
It's a hardened yak cheese, and which is usually consumed by the Tibetan people who lives in altitude.
Okay.
So basically, what happens in winter is like their air part and the facial part usually gets really cold. So
Okay.
what they do is they chew it a lot, and
Okay.
muscles it gets tightened up and like उससे heat होता है. So yeah.
अच्छा.
That's the thing. This is Emma, or basically means chili. We get it from Bhutan, which is not so बहुत flavorful रहता है, but nothing like not so spicy. This is gundruk. Gundruk. This is a fermented and dried radish leaves.
Okay.
Basically used in Nepali cuisine for making broth. Kind of like
Broth.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is famous dalle chutney, dalle
Yes.
chilies.
So the dumpling ka chutney
Yeah.
is made
We
with
made
this.
from this chili.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Having this most tasty food. So now it's time to meet the magician behind it. So here's the team who has made this happen.
So myself, Prasad Jadhav, I take care of the service part of this restaurant. And as he said, the magicians are the real magicians are here. They're standing next to me. Chef Vicky Guram, who is also a co-owner in the venture, along with Saurabh. He's also the third partner for this venture. So
So how it all started? So how this entire concept came into your mind to start this restaurant?
So about 2 years ago, we used to run a cloud kitchen in Mumbai.
Okay.
So it was me, Vicky, and there used to be a third partner.
Okay.
Sadly, that didn't go well for us, and Prasad came up with an option of we can do something here in Pune about a theme, because he had already tasted our food and he knew our potential. So he came up with the idea of let's do something in Pune. People here actually travel for food, which doesn't happen in Mumbai. So we took the gamble, we moved here, and it seems that it is paying off.
So since how long are you doing this business here?
It's about 3 years now.
3 years.
Almost 3 years.
And how's the response?
into third year. Yeah.
To third year. How's the response?
It's pretty good actually.
So how's the was there any effect of the ongoing this COVID pandemic?
At the first stage of Corona, we were hit really badly. But after that second one, we were quite good. We started our delivery and stuff. We were
Awesome.
doing so yeah, so bad.
But the delivery still happened through Dunzo. We never associated with any of the
Swiggy also went on.
delivery platforms because this cuisine is not meant for containers. That's the prior reason why
Yes.
we are not on such platforms. Because we put a lot of effort on the freshness of the ingredients that we deal with. So every dumpling that you order in this restaurant is done to order. So after putting so much effort, we don't want food to go into a container and people judging the food in the container. So that was always a concern part. But in the pandemic, we had to survive also in some way. So we considered that option of Dunzo.
I've seen a lot of people who are coming regularly,
Yeah.
like customer coming back to your place, because I've been recommended by a lot of people. We should check out this place, and we were actually trying to find out good place in this area.
It's a hidden gem as what people
Actually,
call it.
yes, yes.
So most of the people who are well versed about food, who know good food, those are our regular clients. And people who are well traveled, they know.
So we have acquired, taste
Exactly,
buds,
yes.
have a palate.
It's actually थोड़ा सा हटके है, मतलब इंडियन फूड और जो हमारा देसी पैलेट है उससे हटके काफी है.
People know when they are coming here to expect something different, and they end up liking it and they become a regular.
Yes.
So on weekends we do our 5-spice braised pork chops, which we do in a Vietnamese style. So that would be served with the sticky rice, what we do on Saturday, Sundays. So the tenderness of that pork chop is what people go after, and the flavors are also impeccable. Means, I don't think you will find a better tasting pork chop or a more tender meat being served anywhere. So we take pride in our product. And there are people queuing up for it and calling us week and 10 days prior that I want it on that day. Here is the list that people have been giving us the bookings for the pork chops for the days to come.
So safely कितने टाइम पहले हम लोगों को ऑर्डर करना चाहिए, मतलब 7 दिन 10 दिन पहले?
Book.
3 to 4 days.
4 days at least.
4 days at least.
So we try to keep our food really simple, like simple food with like कुछ है मतलब fancy नहीं करते. We don't try to do anything fancy. Simple and good.
There are no secrets, to be honest. It's very simple, but good quality ingredients, prepared and handled in the way it should be done, and then it goes very well.
And also we don't cook a lot of stuff. We don't because our motto is if we cook it on that particular morning, it has to sell on that particular day. So it happens a lot that a lot of people who come here, they know, they book their portions in advance, so they don't miss out on it. Because we never utilize the same food the next day.
Awesome.
The coffee is also prepared by people. So people know that we prepare limited amount of food, and we don't want to serve too many people. That's never been the purpose. We want to serve less people, but we want to serve good food. There is dumplings. That's the reason why people step into this restaurant. And the summer rolls, which is like the freshmost salad pat.
Yes.
When you say a salad, people may not go for it, but when it is presented in that manner, everyone wants to
You know,
have it.
like Thukpa is also very famous. People come here for Thukpa also.
Okay.
So yeah, we try to like it.
Nice.
Food is also, the presentation part is also okay.
Yes. Pune, at least if you're serving good, like tasty, delicious food, you don't need any marketing. People will come. That's what I've seen. The product is good, you don't have to sell it. People will come.
No, you won't expect a restaurant of this kind at this location, to be honest. But still, we took a gamble and it's paying off. People from all parts of the city have been coming. And footfall has never been an issue for us from the debut.
Awesome. Thank you so much for having us. Thank you so much for your time.
Pleasure serving you.
Hope that this goes like we should have more branches in Baner, at least in Bapla. All the best, guys.
Thank you so much.
That's it for today, guys. Hope you like this video. और अगर आप पुणे के आसपास हैं और आप ऑन में रहते हैं या ऑन के आसपास भी हैं तो प्लीज़ डू गिव अस अ ट्राई टू दिस पर्टिकुलर रेस्टोरेंट. नाइस पीपल, नाइस फूड, बट हाँ जगह छोटी है तो पहले से ही रिजर्वेशन करके आना. और हम आशा करते हैं कि आपको हमारे वीडियोस पसंद आ रहे होंगे. प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिए और अपने कोई भी फीडबैक हैं जो हम इस वीडियोस में अपने आने वाले वीडियोस में ऐड करें, प्लीज़ उनको कमेंट में शेयर कीजिए और प्लीज़ शेयर कीजिए अपने दोस्तों के साथ में. सो दैट्स इट. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. स्टे सेफ एंड कीप ट्रैवलिंग.